Who's the cutest boy?
Oh my goodness.
What?
Look. Did he make a backflip?
Yeah.
Mom, look.
What?
This is so cool. Look what I'm doing.
How would you do that? Oh, how is it still doing that? No, I'm actually serious. Renzo, are you a magician? Wait, what is happening?
Don't stop. Don't let it stop.
Cool.
Oh, we're gonna make some slime while we wait
Look.
for your food.
Oh my god.
All this goes in the bowl.
Is it
Yeah.
all of it?
Oh
Is
yeah.
it slime?
It's glue.
No way. I never saw any of these colors glue before. Have you? Have you ever done it?
Never.
Have you ever seen purple and pink glue before? Did they say never too?
Are my friends?
Yeah.
I don't know, friends. You gotta comment below and let us know. Magical liquid.
Marsh! Oh, this
Cookie out of the litter box.
Guess what this is? Guess what this is? Guess what this is? Magical liquid.
Oh my
Liquid.
God.
Right, one.
Liquid. Don't pull it.
Okay, now we have to let it sit. It says for 20 minutes, and then it's ready to be slime. It's like a baking show. All right, you want to go grab the food at the front door?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
It's my birthday again.
When?
Yeah.
Next year, April 10. All right, we're gonna have a mukbang, Renz.
Mukbang.
Do you know what a mukbang is?
What is a muffin?
What's a mukbang?
Yeah.
It's a mukbang.
What is that?
So a mukbang is a video. Here, sit down and we'll pull you in. So,
What's up?
how do we push it?
Sup?
So,
You got a sippy?
I got you
Oh,
a sippy.
we all have sippies.
We
Is
all
that
have
funny?
sippies, buddy.
Yeah.
big.
Whoa!
We got spring rolls. We got soup.
What are we doing?
We're doing a mukbang. This is peppercorn.
Story of a
Ew.
girl.
Mommy head.
Vegetable fried rice. Vegetable lo mein.
So veggies from Chinese.
Yeah. Look,
Oh, my
shrimp.
food.
Ooh, look at the steam, baby. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Peppercorn chicken for Marsh.
Cheers.
Ooh, I got spring rolls too. Renzo, how old did you just turn?
Yes.
Last week.
I used to be 1 now, 2 now, 3 now. I used to be. I'm 3.
You're 3. You're a baby.
Actually, I turned 4 and then so I used to be 1, I used to be 2, and I used to be 3, and I used to be 4, and now I'm at 5!
Yeah.
A whole hand, baby. Anyone want a vegetable? Anyone? I'm gonna try one. No. So our favorite thing to do is go on dates and get Chinese.
With Marsh.
With Marsh now too.
Yes.
That used to be just our thing, and then now we have Marsh. Renzo, you want to tell my friends why we call Marsh Marsh? Do you remember why? What's the story? You don't remember? Remember the marshmallow video? Before you met Marsh? Go ahead, tell them.
There was 2 marshmallow videos.
Yeah. And what was in the video?
And Marsh was singing it.
What was he singing?
Please call me before you come home when you're in the car.
Thank ya.
Thank ya.
Thank ya.
Love ya.
Love ya.
Ah.
Ah.
So,
What was the other one? What was your favorite song?
Love you so much.
Love ya. Love ya.
love ya. Love ya.
I showed Lorenzo a video.
What?
Hey. Before he met Brett, it was like a Snapchat filter from like 12 years ago. And he was singing a song.
Not Brett. B.
Oh, babe. I was
Love you.
in the Snapchat filter. It's like I'll show you guys the video. So I showed him this, and it was his favorite song before he met Babe. We had to go show the Walgreens checkout lady. We had to show his teachers at school. We had to show everybody his new favorite song. By the time he got to finally meet Brett, Babe, I was like, do you want to meet the man behind the marshmallow videos? And do you remember what you said?
Yeah.
What'd you say?
What?
I want to meet Marshmallow Man.
Marsh, we actually went to the same park.
We
went to the
did.
park.
I never felt more important in my life. It was the best. right?
And you know what's special?
What?
The park that you met him at
Yeah.
was the same park that me and Brett went to when we were little kids like your age. That was our hometown park. So we thought that would be a special place to.
It was so good. Great,
Yeah.
honestly.
Yeah.
I
Look
remember
at my baby. Look at
driving,
my
driving up and
Look
seeing
at
him
this.
waiting for me.
That's my butt.
He was waiting outside the car, just waving, and didn't even know who I was, just waving at me. It was so warm.
Sorry, I'm eating and look, his plate's empty. Lorenzo, I'm so sorry, baby. You want some shrimpy? How dare I forget you? So mean of me.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
It's not mean? It's not? You forgive me? Promise?
Love it.
Yeah.
What's your favorite part, right? The little corns?
Mommy, you're pretty.
Ooh,
Pretty.
pretty.
Thanks,
Switch
baby.
it up. We have this thing where we'll just count to 3 and just say, like, Mommy, you're beautiful. Mommy, you're pretty. Mommy, we love you. She doesn't know what she's going to get, but we do
That's
it.
so kind. I
Go
love my
bye.
boys. I love my
Go
boys.
I love you. Mm-hmm.
How
Cookie.
many more bites?
See you in the
Couple.
Two.
Hmm?
Two.
Mm-hmm. Why don't you tell them about Cookie? When did we get Cookie?
Last year.
For when?
Yeah, because Mommy, her birthday last
It was my birthday, right?
And Mommy
What happened?
actually next door in our house. I first told you about today.
What happened?
So Ashley supplied Mommy for her birthday pig party.
Pig party.
We were playing them, then we went back to playing them, we went back. We watched it with the pig and them. We named her Sweetie. Wait, what?
cutie.
Cutie, and then Mommy opened that cookie dough, and then she made the pig, and then she named him Cookie.
Right, well, I said to you, I'm like, remember we had a big jar of cookie dough
Yeah.
that looked like her spots, and we always like to eat like spoonfuls out of the cookie dough jar, and remember we opened it and we were like, it looks like Cookie.
Mama,
And then I gave you the option, do you like Cutie or Cookie? And we picked Cookie, right?
Mom,
No, baby.
I just ate two.
What? Wanna let her out?
I'm
Got
done.
her? Where are you going?
I'm
You
done.
can't leave. We're talking to my friends. They wanted to meet you. The whole point is to see who can eat the most food. That's the game.
Oh, yeah.
Guess who's in first place?
I am.
What did you do for your birthday last week?
I got left
Okay.
in my. Wait. No, wait more.
Who ate more?
You're gonna be in third
Let me
place.
see
In
right
third
now.
place?
And you're gonna be in first, I'm gonna be in second.
I can be in first. Thank you.
So it's
You're always in first
Mom's
place.
me.
Wow, you're so
And I'm
giving.
last.
So
Really? Are you
selfless.
sure?
So it's Mom, Marsh, and then me. So I'm number three.
You are
You're
so,
so
giving.
selfless, buddy.
And I'm done.
You're done? Wait, I thought you wanted donut time. Well, that was a quick mukbang. Didn't know that was gonna happen. Somebody had a late lunch after school. We decided we were gonna film this last minute, so it's fine. Ready? Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes. You like it? Is it so yummy? Okay, you can have that. What else do you want to tell my friends? We haven't filmed a video since, you know, the last time me and you did a video like this, you were in a height chair, not even able to talk. How crazy is that? I know. Do we have so much food? Like, right?
It's more this.
Yeah, you were just making noises.
Like, what?
What?
Well,
So what are your favorite things to do? What are your favorite things to do?
go to golf course, get golf balls. These are not.
What?
These are not nice.
The geese? How come?
You don't know this. Remember trying to get that golf ball?
Yeah.
You did this.
You're the hiss, right?
You were getting too close to them, maybe?
No, I was trying to get the golf ball.
Oh. And they were protecting the golf ball? That's really
And then when you distract them,
weird.
I went down and got the red one.
Good face. So cute. That's awesome.
And pulled it open it's like 10 minutes ago.
10 weeks ago? Remember the first day? It was so cold. It was like a cold plunge the first day we opened the pool because we opened it extra early. for your birthday. Marshy would have liked it.
Love it.
Cold
Love the
plunge.
cold
She could have just done the cold plunge here.
I'm gonna be done.
You were done eating? You don't want any more donut either?
Save it.
Alright, wait, Marsh has one question for you.
What?
Oh.
Oh, Marsh.
Listen. I want to know what your favorite thing to do is before we go to bed, when we all go to bed.
Oh.
What do we do?
Play Mish.
We play
What's
Mish.
Mish.
So,
They don't know what this is. We gotta tell them.
okay. So first thing, Marsh, Mish, I mean, comes to get us, and then we had to run away from him because he's Mish. Like he's hiding and we find him. He sees it and we run away.
It's really scary, right? Mommy gets really scared.
And he just
Mish, can you tell everyone the
noise
We want me to make the noise?
on the thing.
he shuts all the lights off.
I don't do that. I mean, it depends on where I'm at.
You don't do it on purpose? It's actually scary. Like I get heart palpitations.
She's literally so scared and he loves it. He's laughing.
He loves it. I
So
actually
funny.
get scared because like being chased is not fun.
Did
Right? You like it? You get scared, no?
Not that much,
When
no.
I can like sneak around and I don't make too much noise. So
What? Mish.
I get to skip cards.
Marsh, I mean.
Yeah.
And the actual snake. The actual quiet.
That's quiet.
Run tonight. Tell him to say the name.
What?
Say it.
What?
Mish.
Mish.
It's Mish!
Wrong industry.
And down.
One.
1, 2, 3. It's Mish!
It's
So
Mish.
Everybody has to do it.
Ew.
Everybody has to do it.
Right?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's Mish.
Your voice, say it again.
It's Mish.
Your voice is better than ours.
Go.
You better run,
Ew.
cause I'm coming to get you.
Right now?
No. Right now.
No.
No, it's scary.
You
right?
can run, but you can't hide.
And then he like bangs on the door. Me and Renz always have to hold hands, right?
I'm coming to get you. And it's funny because they'll like go into the room and I'll go down like onto the floor and be like, it's Mish.
And put your hand
I
underneath.
put my hand in there and I
Oh,
shake
it's
it.
so scary, right, Renz? Like I actually like get
My heart.
nervous.
I killed my heart.
You hear your heart?
I killed it.
You killed it?
Hold it.
That's what's scary.
Listen, other than Mish though,
What else? Oh yeah, what else do you guys
what
do?
else do we? Oh, Marsh, yes. Mommy has her evil side, Marsh.
You're
But it's
leaving
very
us?
small.
Oh my god, wait, you gotta tell them our story about what we did last night.
Piggy in the shower.
What did we do last night?
Put Piggy in the shower.
Why?
Because she was so pretty.
Yeah, we obviously filmed ourselves the first time we did the piggy bath. And everyone was like, ew, you're sitting in pig water, which I don't care. She's my
She was
daughter.
so
I can
clean.
do whatever. Yeah. But the last couple times we've done a shower. So we got a whole plate of all different types of food. And he feeds her and I wear like rubber gloves and I wash her down with the shampoo.
Can you put this back on, Marsh?
Yeah. She's like, she takes the shower much easier than she does the bath, and it's just less of like a mess and hard, easier for us, kind of. Don't think we won't bathe with our pig, because we will.
Oh, we will. And I saw a lot of people asking like, where does she go to the bathroom? She goes out with the dogs. She was so easy. She was so easy to train. Like puppies, you know how it like takes a minute. She
Thank you,
was trained
Powder.
from like the first week. She goes
You're welcome.
out up and down the steps by herself. She's amazing. Look at she's gonna try to eat my food.
Yeah,
Watch. Say hi, Piglet. Look how big she
Give
got.
her like a piece of corn. So
Yeah. Get her. Oh, what do you want to watch? What was that? What just happened?
bit me.
Who?
I don't know.
Candy?
Probably candy, yeah.
Jesus. Are you okay?
No, just
Candy's a
scared me.
beast.
Jeez.
Oh my god.
Is
bit my
the
whole
slime
hand.
done?
Not yet. 10 more minutes on the timer. Oh wait, let's see what some of these questions people have. First 10 comments are,
Well,
do you
this
plan on
is
having
wet.
more children? What do you think?
Whoa!
Ren,
What? One more.
do you want a brother or sister one day?
Sister!
Yeah?
Oh, guess what? We'll go to the business. What does it need? Like this. Do that. Go like that.
Whoa.
Oh no, let go.
Woo!
I put it wet. I turned it wet.
Oh my gosh.
I
Silly.
feel it. Put it like this. Put it like this. Okay, do that.
Yes. We would like 2 more probably. We'll see them. God willing. We do have a wedding date set. I talked about this in my video that went up before this one that we did. We signed our contract. We have a date. Just gotta stay tuned.
How much do you love Carly? Absolutely the most.
No, that doesn't say that.
The
Does
universe.
it really say that?
I don't care what other universes exist. The most out of every single life form in every single universe that exists, as well as Lorenzo. We love her just as much.
See her? Hi, Piggy. Piggy Liggy. Carol wants to know what has been your proudest life achievement. Lorenzo, get over here. Come here really quick. I want to tell you something.
What about Lamborghini? Lamborghini. Okay.
Lamborghini shoe. Lorenzo, you're my proudest life achievement. You know that?
Stop.
Can we kiss?
My Lambo.
Lamborghini. You know, did you hear me?
What?
You're my proudest life achievement.
You too.
Oh, you made this your phone.
Mommy!
Yeah.
No, like when you remember we did on Tuesday?
Yeah. Should we do it? Let's act it
Yeah.
out. This is how we saw each other on Tuesday. Wait, go stand right here. Okay. Ready?
Mommy, pull it up in the car.
I pulled up in the car. Beep beep. I'm going to see my Renzo. Renzo!
Mommy!
Oh my God! Renzo! I miss you, my boy, my boy.
We did it again.
Okay.
Come on, now they drive.
Okay, mommy just pulled up because I haven't seen you because mommy had to go to Texas. Beep beep. Mommy's home.
This has been wake up. It's Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. I'm driving over, going to get my boy.
It's here. Mommy's here.
Renzo! Benjamin.
We're listening together.
What?
We're listening together.
Ben?
I want to go socks off. We get our socks.
You want her socks off? Why?
You start on it.
Your legs are so long now. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh god.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Alright, mommy wants my donut. Can you get me my donut?
Oh, do it again.
One more time.
Mommy!
I miss you. I love you.
Mommy.
Renzo.
Who's
Oh my god, I'm actually really dizzy. Alright, close my eyes. Which one's mine?
Open.
Oh wow.
Quick.
Oh wow. Glaze, you want a bite? It almost looks like it's white frosting because of how much glaze is on it. Nice. Alright. I guess that's all we got for you. What do you and Brett do when you upset each other? Do you take space or talk it out? Talk it out.
Talk it out, for sure.
He's the most non-toxic man I've ever
Oh,
met in my entire
stop
life.
me up!
I don't know, what would you like me to do,
I think I hung up on him one time, then he called me back and he goes, "We're not gonna do that. We don't hang up on each other." It's so cute.
Damn right. Oh my god, I guess.
So I don't even, yeah.
Yeah.
He's a winner. God bless him. This donut is immaculate. What the heck? You guys are so funny. I'm so full. Thank you for watching this chaotic mukbang. Mukbang? Mukbang, I don't know.
Bye, babies.
Puppy?
Bye.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.